Unmasking Beautiful, Embracing Your Makeup-Free Look. Title: Unmasking Beautiful, Embracing Your Makeup-Free Look. Introduction: 100 words. In today's society, it is not uncommon to feel pressured by the beauty industry's standards and the notion that makeup is required to be considered beautiful. However, there is a growing movement, urging women to embrace their natural beauty and feel confident without the need for cosmetics. 1. The origins of makeup, 200 words. Throughout history, humans have used makeup for various cultural, ritualistic, and aesthetic purposes. From ancient Egypt to modern times, cosmetics have played a significant role in enhancing beauty and expressing individuality. While makeup can undoubtedly boost confidence and transform one's appearance, it is essential to recognize that it should be a choice rather than an obligation. 2. The rise of the no-makeup movement, 250 words. In recent years, celebrities and influencers have taken to social media platforms to proudly showcase their makeup-free faces. This movement aims to challenge society's beauty standards while encouraging women to embrace their natural features. By sharing unfiltered and unedited images, these individuals have sparked a revolution that celebrates authenticity and self-acceptance. 3. The benefits of going makeup-free, 300 words. Embracing a makeup-free look offers numerous benefits for both physical and emotional well-being. Firstly, it allows the skin to breathe and rejuvenate, reducing the risk of clogged pores and breakouts. Additionally, going makeup-free can foster a healthier relationship with one's appearance, promoting self-love and acceptance. It encourages individuals to appreciate unique characteristics than striving for an unattainable standard of beauty. Include cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. B. Enhancing natural features. Although going makeup-free means avoiding heavy cosmetics, you can still accentuate your natural beauty with the right techniques. Grooming your eyebrows, curling your lashes, and applying a tinted lip balm can add a touch of freshness to your appearance. C. Nurturing confidence. Self-confidence is key when it comes to embracing your makeup-free look. Practice positive self-talk, surround yourself with supportive individuals, and focus on your inner qualities to cultivate a genuine sense of self-worth. D. Embracing imperfections. Remember that imperfections are what make you unique. Don't be afraid to showcase your freckles, birthmarks, or any other features that set you apart. Embracing your individuality will help you feel more confident and at ease in your own skin. 5. Changing the beauty narrative, 250 words. It is crucial to recognize that going makeup-free is not about demonizing makeup but rather celebrating personal choice. The goal is to create a more inclusive and accepting beauty narrative where everyone feels comfortable and empowered, whether they choose to wear makeup or not. 6. Conclusion, 100 words. Embracing your makeup-free look is an empowering decision that allows you to break free from societal pressures and embrace your natural beauty. By nurturing self-confidence, focusing on skincare, and celebrating individuality, you can unlock a sense of liberation and self-acceptance. Remember, true beauty radiates from within, and a makeup-free look can be an expression of your authenticity and inner joy. 7. The power of representation, 250 words. One of the driving forces behind the no-makeup movement is the need for representation. For far too long, the beauty industry has predominantly catered to a narrow definition of beauty, leaving man. Why individuals feeling excluded and inadequate? By showcasing makeup-free faces in the media and on social platforms, the movement strives to amplify diverse voices and redefine beauty standards. CI. In people with a range of skin tones, facial features, and imperfections, embracing their natural beauty is empowering and allows others to feel seen and accepted. 8. Challenging societal norms, 300 words. Society often dictates that wearing makeup is the norm for women, equating it with professionalism, attractiveness, and confidence. However, this creates unrealistic expectations and places unnecessary pressure on individuals to conform. The no makeup movement challenges these norms by encouraging women to reject the notion that makeup is a requirement for beauty and instead embrace their unique UE features. It promotes the idea that true beauty comes from within and that confidence can be built on self-acceptance rather than a perfectly made-up face. 9. The role of social media, 350 words. Social media platforms have played a significant role in the rise of the no makeup movement. They have provided a space for individuals to share their authentic selves and challenge societal norms. Through hashtags like #NoMakeup and #NoFilter, people from all walks of life can come together and celebrate their natural beauty. Social media has also helped to debunk the myth of perfection. Inst. Of only seeing highly edited images, users are exposed to unedited and raw photos that showcase real beauty. This shift in visual representation has contributed to a greater sense of acceptance. ND self-love. 10. Overcoming beauty insecurities, 400 words. For many, going makeup-free can be challenging due to deeply ingrained beauty insecurities. Years of comparing oneself to unrealistic beauty standards can make it difficult to feel comfortable without the mask of cosmetics. However, embracing the makeup-free look can be a transformative journey towards reclaiming one's self-esteem. It involves recognizing that beauty is subjective and that our perceived imperfections are what make us unique and beautiful. By gradually stepping out of one's comfort zone and practicing self-compassion, individuals can begin to appreciate their natural features and find the confidence to go makeup-free. 11. Supporting and inspiring others, 400